The Motley Patriot here today. The Motley Patriot here. We are just finishing up a lighting system upgrade at 6 Mount Zion Baptist Church. Founded in 1867 by John Jasper, but there's more to the story than that. Let me tell you about the signage we have up here. And of course, we have the sound of industry going in here. Had to put up many sections of scaffold to gain access to a very high voltage ceiling and to add a lighting system that would lower and raise as needed for maintenance, and just sort of trying to put our best foot forward to help these services meet the modern benchmark for production, which is important. Anyway, so let me read to you the sign. The 6 Mount Zion Baptist Church. The Reverend John Jasper, born a slave in Fluvanna County on the 4th of July in 1812, organized the 6th Mount Zion Baptist Church congregation in Richmond on the 3rd of September in 1867 in a former Confederate stable on Browns Island. A nationally celebrated preacher, Jasper was best known for his 1878 sermon, the Sun Do Move, which he later delivered by invitation more than 250 times. He died on the 30th of March in 1901 and is buried in the Woodlawn Cemetery in Richmond. In 1869, the congregation moved to this site. The present church, built in 1887 to 1890, was remodeled in 1925 in the Gothic Revival style by the noted black architect Charles T. Russell. Now, I will tell you that the church is magnificent, and the structures inside, and I'll post some pictures, but the structures inside the church, the beams and the build out is very impressive. Combination of a lot of large structural timbers with integrated iron for stress points and where they bond instead of tongue and groove. And I have some pictures of that. But anyway, 6 Mount Zion Baptist Church, it's on the historic register. I recommend everybody, if you're looking for a good church, this is certainly a very substantial church in Richmond. In fact, part of the historic district of Richmond, which is nice. And beautiful stained glass work and just so much to it.